Have you ever wondered how speaking more than one language can transform your brain? Today, we're unlocking the incredible benefits of a bilingual brain. Stay tuned as we delve into the mysteries and advantages of being bilingual. Point number one, enhanced cognitive skills. First off, bilingual individuals often experience enhanced cognitive skills. This includes better problem-solving abilities, a sharper focus, and improved multitasking skills. Imagine juggling multiple tasks seamlessly. What's the secret here? Well, when you speak two languages, your brain constantly switches between different linguistic systems. This mental workout improves your brain's elasticity and cognitive control. Point number two, delayed cognitive decline. Research shows that being bilingual can actually help delay the onset of cognitive decline and dementia, including Alzheimer's disease. Isn't that something to think about the next time you're struggling with language lessons? But how does this work? By utilizing multiple languages, bilinguals engage and strengthen neural pathways that are less used by monolinguals, building up a cognitive reserve that protects against brain aging. Point number three, improved social and cultural awareness. Bilingual individuals often exhibit a greater sensitivity to cultural differences and show more empathy in social interactions. This can lead to richer personal and professional relationships. Ever been in a situation where understanding just a few key words in another language broke the ice? That's your bilingual advantage at play, improving your connective tissue with the world around you. Point number four, better career opportunities. In a globalized economy, the ability to speak multiple languages can be a huge career booster. From diplomacy to international marketing, bilinguals often have a competitive edge. Have you experienced this advantage in your own career path? The next time you apply for a job, consider listing your language skills up front and center. Final point, enhanced listening skills. Interestingly, one of the lesser discussed benefits of being bilingual is improved listening skills. Bilinguals are better at identifying nuances in tone and sound. Why does this matter? Because effective communication isn't just about speaking, it's also about listening. And who wouldn't want to be a better listener in both personal and professional spheres? As we wrap up, imagine the doors that could open with the power of bilingualism. And if you're intrigued by how strategic thinking can improve other aspects of your life, check out our follow-up video on understanding investment risk versus reward. It's just a click away on the end screen. Curious to learn more and transform your life? Why not subscribe to our channel and promise yourself a daily dose of knowledge? Drop a comment below and share your own experiences with bilingualism or any questions you might have. Your engagement enriches our community, and we are excited to hear from you.